right, Delta. We're about almost here.
I can pass me shit. I'm peeking.
He's not gonna know about this. All right, Delta. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed. Ow, I can't see.
All right, Delta. Hold on just 1 second.
4 billion years later.
Now open your eyes.
Oh my God! No way! It's the Razzle Dazzler in Super Value Pack by TNT.
Bruh.
Wow, Boris, did you really get this from me? Our neighbor's cutting the lawn. Sorry about that, audience.
Yes, who are you talking to?
Again, no one.
Okay. Well, this is day 1 of our 4-day firework video. It's gonna be so long. We're shooting them off tonight.
Tonight?
Sammy and them gotta see this. Well, yeah, they are gonna see it. They're gonna possibly be the ones on it.
Bubs, are you also? No, I don't want to be on camera. Maybe I do. Please, no.
Man, you do realize you don't confrontation in towards allowing to be on camera. Who cares?
But I can't believe it! Yay!
All right, Dilt. Do we want to show the people what is in this?
Yes! Let's go ahead and actually see what's in here. First, starting off with the Super Value Pack. Ow! This is amazing! We got this for, I think, a $5 deal. This was at Lowe's, no less. But this is the Super Value Pack, a 3-fountain firework pack with illuminating Liberty, Brilliant Blue, and Crimson Cascade. Yeah, whatever these are. Beautiful. Pick them up now.
Bruh.
Morris, your turn.
Okay, I got the big boys over here. Come over here, please, please. I have the super... Oh. We'll call it the Super Dazzler.
Bruh.
But this pack has a 7-inch soldered fountains. Don't know what that means. These are June bugs, a sauce, I guess firecrackers. Here's some displays. I guess that's for a couple of them. Like
Hey.
that one right there is June bugs.
Get over here.
Shut up. Since you got Sunshine Rain Dance, Raging Zombies. That's my favorite. Haven't seen it. Oh, be quiet, Mr. Whoever are you.
Oh, yeah? What about come here? Nah.
So, Delta, what about telling the audience to light off these fireworks?
Yeah. Anyways, everyone,
Let's go. Woo, there it goes.
oh, you got cool. Oh, that's it?
Dang.
Wow. Man, I'd rather go ahead and see a canister get let off. Imagine a canister just gets let off down the street. Boom! Then you would pee yourself.
Yeah, I'll most likely crap myself at the same time, too. Jesus, Bendy.
Well, I mean, like, it wasn't bad. I mean, like, it was decent. Should I go up to it? Delta, you do realize you're just now entering the 6th grade. You want to go out to a firework that is still smoking. Why not?
Bro, you could get seriously harmed. It said here that... Never mind. I think we all know firework safety rules.
Here's our next one.
Let's go. Here's the next one.
This is a biggie.
Very big.
Ooh, that's cool.
Sorry all about the camera works. It's actually better in real life than it is on camera. And way more fountain sparky. Go on. Let's get it up closer. Whoa. Okay, whoa. Whoa!
That's so cool.
That was, oh my.
God. I wonder how much that was.
That was a part of the assortment. Oh yeah, Bendy also checked it out.
How you know? I ain't know. Man.
Well, Delta, we were just out there.
Oh, yeah. Anyways. Boris, I just got word that the next fountain's actually your favorite.
Oh my God, is it?
Yes. Raging Zombies. That's so cool.
No, right?
Here it is. That's Raging Zombies. Go ahead, Grin. Big support for our cameraman's grandmother for doing this.
What about Lionel?
No, it's not. He's struggling. He's just gone.
There it is. Whoa.
So weird. It looks like a confetti canyon. Wow, now it's sparking. Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
Oh, why is the smoke coming this way?
Oh, flipper cooked. Oh, God, that's a mushroom cloud. Cover your noses.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Let's go. Woohoo.
Yeah. Woo, let's go.
Woohoo. Yeah.
I told y'all raging zombies would be the best.
That felt odd.
Pretty sure there's better ones in there. Oh, be quiet, Bendy.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I give that a solid 10 out of 10.
Same. 20 out of 10.
This next one is
Cool. Cool? Like Cool Breeze?
look at it. Wow.
Whoa. So cool.
I know, right? Oh, I have a feeling it's gonna crackle big. It's crackling big! Oh, it is crackling. Wow. So cool.
I rate that a solid 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10, no, it's a 7 out of 10. I give that an 8. It was decent.
Alright, cameraman's over there.
Yeah, good luck, cameraman.
I will. Well, I guess that ain't bad. Oh, there goes, guys. Oh, that's cool. Much more vibrant in real life. That wasn't this. Okay.
Man, that sucked.
Yeah, that really did. Hi! That's our neighbor, y'all.
Yeah, he's very kind. He mows everyone's yard except for ours. Sadly.
The amount of times Zelda's been here, I'm pretty sure he mowed our yard.
Oh, here it goes. Cameraman, go back out. All right. There goes the next one. Pistol Pete. Oh, very vibrant. Cameraman, do that.
Yup. Oh, look at that.
Console.
I know, right? Oh, I don't feel like it's gonna scream. It's gonna scream, y'all. It's gonna scream. I know it. Oh. That's decent, decent. That wasn't as bad.
It was decent. Yeah, I like the pop, 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 pop.
Okay. Yes.
How dare you see this my line?
Oh well, too bad, just that.
Oh, Delta getting offended. All right, cameraman. Wanna go out there? No. I think I'm still here. We go. Okay, good. All right.
You said good boy to our cameraman? Oh, heck.
Here goes our next one. Oh, I have a feeling this one's gonna be scary. Oh, so cool.
Mind you, we're picking this spot for the fourth.
Ooh, look at it. It's such colorful. Turn around.
It's not colorful.
Who cares? Audience want to see it.
You want to see it burn? Because there's a flame.
Yeah.
That was moderate.
I what the?
Cameraman, recording! Recording!
Wow, it's colorful.
That's actually pretty decent. I actually like that. Oh wow. Major Creepy Zombie, maybe Raging Zombie does have competition. Whoa! That's cool. No, it does not!
Jealous. It's gonna crackle, it's gonna crackle, I know it. Not bad.
Only if it's a bigger firework course. Raging Zombies may have his own competition. No, they don't. Whoa. Basil's good. Oh. There's our next one.
Oh, it's almost like the other one from earlier, the red one. That got you on fire.
Yeah, but it's still burned out. Is that a cigar? No. Here it is.
Oh.
I swear he smoked.
Oh, you talking about the firework?
Yes!
Oh, I just thought of that. Sorry you couldn't turn around, though. Turn around, hold it straight.
Dang, this is something you could just light off in your hands. Don't do that at home, kids. No, don't do that at home. It's very bad. Man.
Oh, that was a bunch of horse doo-doo.
It will be.
And crab doo-doo.
And my doo-doo. Okay, bro, really?
Yeah, really. Couldn't name any other animal.
Well, I mean, like rare animals. Bendy, you're full of ink. Delta's the only animal here. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's smoking still. Smoking? No. Yes. Anyways, we'll get back to you when the other one goes on.
What's the next one?
Whoa, this looks so cool. Whoa, it's a shower. Let me go under that thing.
Bruh.
It's crackling. It's crackling. It's cracking. Okay, right. Dun. Cameraman, focus on the camera.
Okay. I'm watching real time now, teacher. It's been a while since I've watched one. As in real life, as you mean 7 months? Equal. Oh, it's still smoke! That's one of our cameraman's cousins, y'all. Man, I think Raging Zombies do have competition. That was good.
See, told you? Man, you thought Raging Zombies were going to be the best?
I thought. Oh my god. Oh, this pack. Wait until the 4th. I really thought Raging Zombies was good. Oh no.
There it goes. Oh.
Look at that. It's only a pack.
Ta!
Whoa, that's actually kind of cool. It's like a breeze.
Your cook, Boris. I get that better shot. That was in one patch of grass.
I know, right? I tried running out Barn Commons. You tried running out the local park, brother. What the? Yeah.
That's crazy.
That was pretty decent. Delta?
Do we have competition? Yeah, you have competition. I don't.
Oh, you're a channel. Bearded bird.
It's not bad.
Dinos and birds, same thing, same crap. But everybody, never mind.
Everybody's poops different, bro. Mindy, please. There it goes. Wow, it's looming. It's a looming. It's a looming liberty.
That's so cool. Whoa, there's a beast. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Imagine if I was in the middle of it.
Yeah, you would be cooked, Delta. I know.
We're like, it's so cool. My God. Oh, there it goes. Wow.
What the?
It went up. Pow. Pow.
Ah, that sounds like something that'd be on Roblox Rivals, bro. Please be quiet.
Oh, here goes the next one.
Ooh, oh my, it's so cool.
It's showering. It's another golden shower.
I think the golden shower happened multiple times.
Yeah, but the last one was silver. This was golden. There's two different colors.
Wow, it's barely even lasting on camera.
I tear my heart open, I sew myself shut. My weakness is that I care too much, and my scars remind me that the past is real.